Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Prompt Engineering. Talking to your AI like a pro for better results. Imagine you have a super smart robot assistant, but it only understands exactly what you tell it. Prompt engineering is simply the art and science of giving crystal clear instructions to AI, like ChatGPT or other large language models, so it gives you exactly what you want. Think of it as learning the secret language to unlock AI's full potential. Whether you're building an app or just trying to summarize a long document. For developers, this means better code, faster debugging, and more innovative applications. Let's say you hire a new intern who's incredibly smart, can learn super fast, and has access to almost all human knowledge. Sounds amazing, right? But this intern takes every instruction literally. If you say, make a report, you might get a blank page titled, Report. If you say, make a detailed report about X for Y audience, in asterisk bullet points, you'll get fantastic results. AI is like that intern, it needs clear, precise, and well-structured guidance. Garbage in, garbage out, but good instructions lead to genius output. Just like writing good code, your prompts need to be clear and unambiguous. Start with a direct command. What do you want the AI to asterisk do? E.g., write, summarize, explain, generate code for. Then, specify the asterisk topic and details. Don't assume the AI knows what you're thinking. For developers, this means explicitly stating the programming language, desired functionality, error handling, and even specific libraries you want used in the code. To get specific results, tell the AI what persona to adopt, what tone to use, and what format you expect. Role: act as a senior software engineer, you are a marketing specialist. Tone: use a friendly and encouraging tone, be formal and academic. Format: provide a Python script, give me a JSON object, list 5 bullet points, write a 500-word essay. These guardrails help the AI tailor its output precisely, saving you editing time and ensuring it fits your project's needs. Sometimes, describing what you want isn't enough. It's often better to asterisk show the AI. This is called few-shot prompting. You provide a few examples of an input and the desired output. For instance, if you want the AI to reformat names, input, John Doe, output, Doe, John, input, Alice Wonderland, output, Wonderland, Alice. Then, provide the new input, Bob Builder. The AI will understand the pattern and respond, Builder, Bob. This technique is incredibly powerful for tasks with specific structures, like converting data formats or generating code with a particular style. Think of prompt engineering less like a single command and more like a conversation or a debugging session. Your first prompt might not be perfect, and that's okay. If the AI's response isn't quite right, don't restart. Instead, give follow-up instructions. Can you make that shorter? Add comments to the code. Explain this part in more detail. Change the tone to be more formal. This iterative process is key to getting the best results and is very similar to how developers refine code or fix bugs. Even experienced users make these. 1. Vagueness. Write something about AI, too broad. 2. Overloading. Asterisk asking for too many complex, unrelated things in one prompt. Break it down. 3. Assuming AI knows. Asterisk don't assume it understands context not provided in the prompt. 4. No constraints. Asterisk not specifying length, format, or audience leads to generic outputs. 5. Lack of examples. For complex pattern recognition, not showing few-shot examples can lead to frustration. Always strive for precision and structure. For developers, Prompt engineering isn't just about chatting with AI. It's a critical skill for leveraging AI in your workflow. Code generation. Write a Python function to parse JSON data, including error handling, debugging. Analyze this JavaScript code for potential bugs and suggest fixes. Documentation. Generate API documentation for this C# class. Testing. Create a set of unit tests for this Java method. Mastering prompt engineering means you can transform AI from a neat toy into an indispensable development partner, boosting your productivity and creativity. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.